Hey guys, it's MP4Doggy. If you remember maybe about a week ago, I showed you the prototype for the Glowforge button pusher prototype I made. I just used a simple gear system that went down, pushed a button, and came back up. This is a more elegant model. So this is how this one will work. Here's a close up. There's the servo I'm using. Um, Everything else is I used a this servo and the Node MCU, and I'm using the Blink app to connect to it. So that's how I'm getting it to work. I will work on getting a tutorial for anybody who's interested in getting their own button pusher up. I got a great response from the Glowforge website. From I don't know, I have to look at the user's name, but you know I made this as a joke just to kind of have fun with it. Saying that I was lazy and that it was, the machine was too far away. And what the person wrote was that they have a hard time getting out of their chair to push the button. And that made me think that this has a, I'm not selling it. It's not for sale. The I'll put up a tutorial, and if anybody wants me to 3D print a part for them, if they're part of the Glowforge forum, you can send me a message, and I'll 3D print the parts for you, and then you can just do the Node MCU. I'll provide the code, which is not my code. Everything I made, except for the 3D printed parts that I've taken from other designs and modified to be my own, have belonged to other people. I just modified it. Well, I did make the lever. I did come up with that lever idea myself. Just and I'm sure some of you guys will. I'll upload the STL. Maybe you guys have your own 3D printer, excuse me, and you want to, modify it. It's a very simple design. Um, Once again, you have to be careful with this. This is a machine that, it's a laser. So if you walk away from it, you could potentially, set the Glowforge on fire. You can, set your house on fire. But people that have a disability, or just have trouble walking back and forth and getting to their machine, you have to weigh your options and look at how this may benefit you. And once again, I'm not selling this. This is not for sale. This is just something that I came up with. It's absolutely 100% free. And if you're part of the Glowforge forum and you find me on there, just send me a email or a private message. I think you can do that on the forum, and ask me to 3D print the parts for you, and I will do that for you. And you just pay for shipping, which I can't imagine will be much. Throw a stamp on it or two. It's just the lever itself, and then I'll give you the breakdown for all the parts. So that is it. All right, thanks everyone. Bye.